Welcome! If you want to make sure you never miss a moment when someone tags you in a photo on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable photo tag notifications from everyone on Instagram. This way, whether it's a close friend or someone new, you'll get notified every time you're tagged in a photo. First, open the Instagram app and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're there, look for the three horizontal lines icon in the top right corner. That's the menu. Tap on it to reveal more options. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. This section holds all the controls you need to customize your Instagram experience. From here, find and tap on Notifications. This is where you manage all the alerts Instagram sends you. Within Notifications, scroll down and select Posts, Stories, and Comments. This category covers everything related to your interactions with posts, including tags and photos. Now, scroll down a bit more until you find Photos of You. This is the setting that controls notifications about photos where you're tagged. Tap on it, and you'll see different options for who can notify you when they tag you in a photo. To get notifications from everyone, simply select From Everyone. This means you'll receive alerts whenever anyone tags you in a photo, not just the people you follow or your friends. And that's it. You've successfully enabled photo tag notifications from everyone on Instagram. This simple setting ensures you stay updated and never miss out on those special moments shared by others. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying connected with your Instagram community.